going on, XRP members? Today we got some bullish news. We're going to talk about that and we're going to go over some chart analysis. Obviously, analysis have predicted XRP price of $46, so this is a pretty significant jump. We're going to have a look at the chart and we're going to see if this can really happen. So let's get straight into it. Right. So obviously XRP is on quite a significant jump. It's up 5% just today alone. Obviously XRP has just been trading around the same sort of price range for the last 200 days. This is why it's signaling a significant breakout, more than one that would have just been, say, if XRP hadn't been suppressed. Obviously this is due to loads of factors that I'm just not going to get into right now. We're going to go over what's really important right at this moment. So obviously when we zoom out, we'll see the chart over the last 200 days has actually been performing pretty well, even though people aren't happy because their bags haven't been pumping. $46 is a pretty far-fetched prediction, obviously, considering of the chart. Obviously it's quite hard to say how high it could go. But zooming back to November when we had a big pump, obviously this was a quite significant one. If we zoom out, then we can see that a pump like this again would put us around, let's have a look. This would put us around, say, about $5. Yeah, so it put us up about $5 XRP. We might be able to hold some resistance around this price. Obviously, if we get a $5 XRP, we're going to break out a lot higher because the people that are interested into XRP, they're going to be accumulating, and obviously all the people that have been accumulating will probably just accumulate more. Obviously, a lot of people think that once it's past the $2 range, it probably won't go back. So let's just bear that in mind as well. Obviously after a significant pump, better to zoom out with a chart like this, because obviously with such a high price prediction, we want to kind of not just look at the short term. We kind of want to see how this can possibly happen. So if it was to have a significant breakout, then it would probably go to around this $5 mark, and then it will probably hold some sort of resistance around this price around here. And then obviously once we see a $5 XRP, we can start zooming out a lot more. It might take some time. You might see some ups, some downs. And then I think we're just going to go a lot higher, probably all the way to 18-20 cents. So I'll put this in between both numbers. Once we've broken out towards between $18 and $20, then a $40 XRP doesn't seem too far-fetched, because that's only a 2x from there. If this happens before the bull run is in full function, then XRP will still have an advantage at pumping during the bull run. So this could happen, to be honest. I'm not going to say this can't happen. I'm going to be speculative, and I'm probably going to take profits before the $45 mark. Now, this is the bullish news that I wanted to talk about. Experts say in 5 years, everyone will wish they had purchased XRP. This is a pretty bold statement. You might want to add XRP to your portfolio. Make sure to keep updated with everything that we're doing. Don't miss out when XRP goes to $46.